Hey there, Tim and here, Tim back at you. This is the third hand helping hands from Noeb's Big.
Wait, what?
Now they did send this to me and asked me to do a review, but they're not telling me what to say, not giving me any kind of compensation, but they did send the product to me for free. So for that, I will mark it a paid promotion. But again, they're not telling me what to say or anything like that. I just thought it was a really cool tool. I wanted to share it with you. In today's video, I wanted to show you this really cool tool. This is the soldering tool. And basically this is a pair of extra hands to help you hold stuff while you're soldering and like on circuit boards or wires. So this thing here, these are actually magnetic. Let me take the wire out of this to show you how easy this is. So these are spring-loaded and magnetic, and they're actually fairly strong. And they're also coated, so when you're working on a circuit board or something like this that damage the board or won't get into, if you're soldering, you won't make any kind of electrical connection. So they are coated. This is what I had previously. I had these, and actually they actually come on a deal like this. I can still actually use one of these, but I'm missing another one of these. So I forgot these actually hook up. I thought I was missing one of these bottom parts right here and this right here, but actually that goes like, that's why there was two flat sides. So it's supposed to hook up like that. So I can actually still use this on here if I wanted to. I may do that just to have it. I can still make use out of this. So this board is, I think it's like 4 inches. Let me see. I got a tape measure. I think it's 4 by 4. Yeah, 4 by 4. So it's a 4 by 4 square. It does have a very thick foam on the bottom, a really dense foam, so it kind of protects your desk or wherever you're working on it. And then it has this metal on it, so if you're soldering, the solder actually, if any solder falls, it'll fall on this surfacing instead of your like work surface and burn your work surface. So that's pretty cool. And so this is an old circuit board off of actually one of these camera remotes that actually the whole thing kind of fell apart. So I just wanted to use this to show you. But basically you can, you know, move them around. Like I said, move them around, keep them away from any kind of wiring or anything like that. Or if you want to move it like on this side here, and this, like I said, these are spring loaded, so they're pretty nice. And then the 4 inches on the board actually gives you a lot of room. So if you want to get have it on there and get a soldering iron, I'm not going to start my soldering iron, but you get the idea. And you can kind of work in there in little tight spots and stuff like that. Get in there with any kind of soldering iron. I even have a Weller soldering iron that I got when I was like 16. I believe it still works. I've had that for a long time. But so this is a really cool tool, and it's a lot easier to work with than something like these. And you can also do this where you can take a circuit board off and then put your wire in here. It holds wire. There's actually on the other side, there's actually little grooves in there. Let me light it up so you can see. There you go. Little grooves in there for the wires. So if you got some small wire, you can actually grip wire right there. Woo-hoo! So you can turn these around, which I thought was pretty cool. Again, these magnets are pretty strong. I think they're rare earth magnets. So you can put a wire in this side instead of using the other side. You can put the wire in here, and you can see it's holding it pretty strong.
It's really strong.
So, and then you can kind of put it down like that, and then move the other one up like that. And then you can, like I said, when you do your soldering, any solder that comes off there, solder, it'll actually fall down on here and just bead up right there. Just a really cool setup. And I like the fact that this is has a little hole right here, so I guess you can put some sort of lanyard on or hang it up if you want to, a little wire or something, hang it up on in your workshop. you don't want to use it. So this is just a really cool idea. I think this is the Helping Hands. The company is called Noeb's Big, but apparently they have other setups that you can get, you know, bigger setups if you're into some different kind of soldering and stuff like that. They also have some soldering tools and, like I said, other different kind of holders and soldering fans. So this is great for like parallel clamping and holding your circuit board, stuff like that. It's just a really, really cool tool. Now it does come fully assembled, ready to go right out of the box, which is nice. The clamps open up 0.47 inches. What's nice about these little grippers here is they leave no bite marks or scratch marks. There's no sagging in your work. You can pull it taut if you want to, if you just want to. There is longer arms available with these, so you can actually purchase from them. They have the longer arms with alligator clips or clamps. You can purchase all kinds of different stuff from them. So check out their website, Noeb's Big, Noevsbig. So just a really, really cool setup. I thought it was really cool, so I wanted to share that with you. Turned out to be a really, really nice product, and I think it'll be a nice addition to my shop stuff. You know, be able to work on little circuits and stuff like that, because like I said, this is what I've been using, and it tends to, it'll even see it left a pinch mark in the wire right there. So yeah, that's why I typically don't like to use stuff like this, or I'll put electrical tape around there so it doesn't leave the bite marks on it and stuff. If you're dealing with smaller wire, that could be an issue again. So this is a third hand from Noeb's Big and available on Amazon.
I'll be back.